Filipinos love their buko pandan, but what happens if we fry it in lumpia wrappers?
Water, green gulaman powder, bring to boil, then cool. Sugar, coconut juice, evaporated milk, cornstarch, and flour. Simmer until fully thickened. Coconut meat, gulaman, kaong or sugar palm, nata de coco or coconut gel, stir. Then in goes the cheese. Transfer to a bowl, cover, then cool. Double wrap and close with an egg wash. Ganito ang ano ni Shrek. Fry in medium-high heat.
Oh, look at that color. Working. I cannot believe this worked. You know what would make this better?
Vanilla ice cream, pinipig.
Cheers. Oh my